Super excited to be having my first PC built ever. Did a ton of research. I'm going to link below everything that I used to build it. But I was just super nervous about this, especially putting in the CPU right there. I was told if you mess with the pins, that's basically it. So I would have to get a new motherboard, a new CPU. The RAM, putting that in was easy. I was just a little scared about it, breaking. Next, I'm putting on the terabyte. Eventually, I will upgrade to 2 terabytes. Now, I have the cooler for the CPU. Instructions were a bit tricky. It depends on what CPU you have. Placing the motherboard in this beautiful Lee case. I had my dad help me. He used to build computers back in the day, but they were old school computers. Some stuff are the same, and obviously things are different, like the cooler, which is why we struggled a little bit on that. Last is the GPU, and just a ton of cable managements that I will spare you. Here is turning it on for the first time.
Yep. Hey! Oh my god!
Yeah, I got shaky hands, but this is the cable management, and yeah, this is it. Thanks.